So in this video we're gonna be doing market entry points, actually understanding the key levels of the price of the market. So we're gonna be learning and understanding how to actually spot the key levels. So it's not we're not gonna be doing analysis. Probably we're gonna, because I'm always addicted when it comes to analysis. So let me just fix my lights and make sure you just like for now. Uh, oh, that better. That is better. So yeah. So let's just uh, see where the important place where the price might return and where the price might respect, and how to actually uh, get key level of the price. So let's go for any pair. So what do you look for when it comes to key level of the price, and what do I look for? So I only look for it's a very basic theory, guys. You just look for a price where there was a significant support or resistance, and when the price decided to break that price, and then it have to retest. So the price, after breaking a certain level, it break this level and then it retests. It always does that. It's been doing that for years. So I think the hardest thing is actually for people to see where is the key level. So that is the main challenge for a lot of people, but it's very easy. Once you master it, you're gonna see what's how this thing is very, very easy. And there's always like clues that tells you this might be the very important level of the price. This where the price might respect. So let's go and see this. Okay, if you look at this one right now, you can see at this point the price decided to drop like crazy. At this point you see it dropped here and then it decided to drop again. So after a big candle drop, you know that after a huge when the price decided to make a huge drop, it always tells you that it was breaking a certain level. So whenever the price, let me see, I don't know if my webinar is nice, let me just wrap it up. So after a price breaks a huge important price, is gonna come with a huge candle. So if you can see here at this point, where's my monitor now? Okay, there it is. So you can see at this point the price decided to drop dramatically, and here it dropped dramatically. So if I could just draw a horizontal line where it dropped dramatically, you can see this was a very important zone. So you can tell how many times that the price has decided to actually respected that zone. So you can see here, you see it tested here, it tested here, it tested here, it tested here, it broke, it tested here, it tested here, it tested here, it tested here, it tested here. So you can see the importance of this level. This is a very, very, very important level. It's a very, very important level. So the price decided to break this level, but the good thing is we can still make money with this level, because it decided to break this level, but it haven't retest. It haven't retest. So when I'm talking about retest, after breaking this level, the price have to go up. It have to go up and then decide to drop again. So you can see here it hasn't done that. So there are still a lot of hidden orders that might go to that zone, and then the price decide to drop again. So those are the main factors. So let's go and look for some other examples and make sure that you guys understand what I'm talking about. So okay, let's go look at, I don't know what happens to the Euro USD. Yo, this was a crazy move. To decide, okay, there's another price here. So when you're analyzing, when you are looking for the key level, make sure you look at your left hand side and you pay attention to the spike and you pay attention to the base candle. First, look at your left hand side for past historically. I don't know if I'm saying it properly, so please don't mind my English. So look at for the historically price movement. So what was happening on the past, if I can put it in simple English, what was happening in the price that affects what will happen on the future as well. So if you look at here on the past, I said look at your left hand side and look for some spike. You see here there's a spike here, there's a spike here, there's a spike here. So but you see here there's a lot of spike at this point. So if I draw here by just looking where the spike has been happening, you see now you have a key level. It's that simple. So if I look at this zone, this price has been respecting here for a very long time. It's been respecting here for a very long time, and then it decided to do what? It decided to break. Like I said, a break candle always have engulfing candles or huge drop. So you can see this was a very huge drop here. It decided to drop at this zone, but it haven't retested after breaking. So what do you expect is the price to go back up and then decide to drop again. So you expect something like this. If I draw it like this, and then it decides to drop. So your entry point always have to be considering the base candle. So you don't see the base candle here because there's a lot of things happening at this point. It doesn't give a base candle, but if you go to higher time frame, most definitely you're gonna see the base candle. So let's go and look at some higher time frame. So you see at higher time frame, now you can see the base a bit properly. You see that there is a base candle, but it's two candles. I just want one candle, so obviously on the day it's gonna be one candle. So here it doesn't show very well. It left the spike, but at this point you can see that this is a very important level. So let me zoom it in so you can see. So this is a very huge level. So but tomorrow it's NFP. It won't be a good idea to actually wait for it to come here because NFP candles are so dramatic. So they will just push. Where's my monitor now? It will just push. Let me just draw it for you. So it will just go up and break all these orders. It's only happen when the market is moving on the usual form. So if it doesn't move like if it is events or news events, NFP, CPI, PPI, and all those other stuff, it's not a good idea to actually push your pending orders at this point, as much as you know that the price is going to respect, because news events are just have huge candles that triggers all orders and trigger your stop loss. So make sure you don't put your what you call your pending orders, your sell limits at this point, because of the news event are not going to do you well. So just give me a minute, guys. Make sure you like and you subscribe, so because there's something I want to sort out. Just give me a minute. So you can see this is very important, and it's very easy. So let's go and look at some other trades that have key levels. Just look for the spike, look at your left hand side, look for spikes where the price has been spiking, and you look for a base candle for clues, and then it's that simple. It's that simple. If you see this one, this is what happened. You see here there's spike, but it's already happened, and then the base candle. You see, there is the base candle, and what the price does, it retested and then decided to drop. So it's that simple when it's come to understanding price key level. So if this didn't happen, we would have got this trade and made some money. This one would have got this one and made some few bucks. So this one was it. So you see, So let's just see if there's any that is gonna happen. So it's already happened, so let's just pass and look at some other key level. So there's another key level. So unfortunately we are a bit late. So you see, look for first rule, look at your left hand side, what is happening on your left hand side, and look for some spike. You see there's a spike here, and there's a spike here, and there's a spike here. So draw your horizontal line there, and then look for your base candle. Where's your base candle for your entry point? There's the base candle. So it's a drop, base, drop, and then the price break, and then it retests, and then decide to drop. It's that simple. It's very easy. As soon as you master this, you're gonna start making money. So let's just look at for some other trades that has the same characteristics. Okay, let's just pass here. Okay, key levels, key levels, key levels, key levels, key levels, key levels. There's nothing here. Oh, there's another one. This one has already happened as well. Look at your left hand side. There's your left hand side. Where's the spike? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the spike. Draw a horizontal line where the spikes are. Look for the base candle. There's the base candle. So it's a drop, base, drop. So and then you highlight the base candle, and then the price decides to drop. You see, it respects it exactly after going to the base and then decides to drop. So that one was easy as well. So let's look at for some other key levels. This one is a very nice one as well. So let me just put this zone here. You can see this is where the price decided to turn, and there's a lot of spike here. So key level, look at your left hand side. Look at your left hand side where the spikes are. So there's a spike 1, 2, 3, and then you draw here. Where's your base candle here? But it's a bit fat. I don't like this one. I want the base candle to be exactly where the horizontal line is. So this one doesn't look well. So let's pause and look at some other level as well. So let's go and look at some other level. Okay. Let's just make a last example before you get there. So make sure you like and you subscribe. Make you like and you subscribe. So this one, okay, this one was quick. Okay, let me just not use this example since we're still starting out. Okay, there, this one was very nice. Let me zoom it in for you. So look at your left hand side. This one already happened. So look at your left hand side, spike, 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 then base. There's the base, and then okay, let's just do it step by step. So left hand side, spike, spike, drove the horizontal line just on the base candle. There's the base candle. Then the price broke. You see, even when the price decided to broke, it even gave us a clue that this level was important. It broke, and then it retested, and it decided to drop. So it's like that. So make sure you click the like button and you subscribe. So bye for now.